Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel. How EP and intraday EPs and rolling pivot reversal magic will guide you through your intraday trade. I'm going to explain you how it is possible. So, when the market opened, the EP was triggered at 26,253, both bullish EP and bearish EP. I've already mentioned that what is the meaning of bullish EP and bearish EP. Actually, when the this both why both the EPs will be triggered means because there will be BTST trades, foreign investors, and DII's outflow, retailers' money. So both call option and put option will be triggered with high volume. So that's why EP will give you one level. It gave us 26,253 in the opening bell morning. This is EP option on underlying. This is the indicator. And rolling pivot, if you see the market, it was a gap up and price was above the pivot as well as R1. So you are not going to go short or anything. The first candle itself, it made 26,000. If I place the cursor, it made a low of 26,208. You can see the first candle made the low of 26,208.90 and the high closing was 26,253. Actually, it took how much time? So what you need to do is, what I do is, I mark this level. Let me change the color to, okay, let me make it black color and let me label it as EP. EP morning level 26,253 is your guidance level. Okay, it is like reference level for your trade. The market, what it did is tried to move higher, and you can see over here, call writer already came into the picture around 26,284. You can see the morning opening bell when price started making high within two candles, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes candle itself, the 26,284. 26,284 call writers started coming down, coming into picture. That is, this is intraday level. Intraday level. Let me make it little bit thick. This is EP markers, 15 minutes and 60 minutes. Let me make it little bit thicker so that you will come to know. See, when I see here, this was first starting opening well, and the intraday call writers became active. Intraday call writer became 26,284. Let us write down intraday call CE writer became active. And the market, what it did is it came down, it took support. This was intraday call writer from the previous day. You can see from the previous day, there was a bullish EP. The market call writer has been trapped and the market moved higher and one more call writer came into picture. That is interesting actually. It indicated that market is going to stall. It is not going to go up, but you should have patience. The market gave a discount around 26,219. Again, it did not go to 26,208 along with the rolling pivot. Rolling pivot is positive when it is positive. Only around 11:15, yeah, we started seeing the weakness in the market, and the market started breaking below this reference level, and also hourly call writer came into picture. You can see call writer, intraday call writers were active twice, and the hourly call writer also came into picture around 10:45 and like. So that was an indication that market is ready to. So this was the reference level 26,284. The intraday call writer as well as the hourly call writer, 15 minutes call writer as well as hourly call writers became active, indicating that market is dominated by the writers. Writers have taken the control of the market. Market is going to the. See, when you see, what I see always is last bullish EP was there, and usually I mark the last bullish EP low of the candle, and when it starts breaking below, that is the confirmation. You can take the sell trade in that. Same time, I'll put a 11:50. We shall put a mark over here, Alt V, and let us go to the put option. At the same time, put option 11:50. Let me go to the 15 minutes, because since I am on the 15 minutes on the in underlying, let me put 11:15 over here. If I zoom it out, you can see over here only bearish EP was formed, and the high of this bearish EP was here. And if I change the time frame to 5 minutes, you can see the call writer, put writer started coming even before, like that. See, morning it came around 10 a.m. call writer, intraday, 15 minutes put writer, no, call writer came, and they came into the picture where on the underlying, on the Nifty chart, where at the same time, you are seeing a put writer coming into the picture. The level was 109.45, and around 10:50, this put made a low of 97 rupees 20 paise. When the call writers are coming on the Nifty chart, so you need to look at the put option to see that. And here around 11:15, exactly around the underlying time price, the put option started reversing. And here also what I see is this was the bearish EP. The high of the bearish EP was 109.75, and the price started to close above the 109. This candle closed about the 109, and the trend flip and the rolling pivot also started making green color. They all turned into green color. Buy signals have been generated. From there, the market started, Nifty started coming down. First level, it came down to 26,214. At the same time, this put option, when it came down to 26,214, it came around which time? This is the 12:30. So you can see around 12:30, this put option reached to 140, 52. 152. From here, from the 105, if you would have taken the position, easily you could have made around 40 points in this put option. Later, the market started recovering, retesting the level. This level acted as the support because there was a bearish EP, the low of this bearish EP. Usually I see and mark the low of the bearish EP, and this bearish EP is very huge. So the market, I knew that market is going to present resistance, and the morning, if you see 5 minutes EP was 26,253. Let me put there 253. This is the reference level, morning level, flip level. This acted as a flip level. Exactly, you can see exactly around 26,000. If I place the cursor, you can see the market rejected from 26,256.5. So it was a wicking law, wicked above, wicked to this level, and market started coming down. Same, the put option came down to retest the 118 level. From 118, it rallied up to 195. So, friends, you could have made, if from here 97 to 185 is not a small amount, friends. It is around 90 to 95 points you could have gathered. With the help of the EP levels, you could have taken position, and on an intraday basis, here, why the market started taking support around this area was the intraday put trader became active around this level, indicating that it is the support for the market around this level. Support for the market around this level, intraday level around 120, put traders started coming into picture. This line comes into picture. This is a new EP formed there. And it was indicating that some sort of support is coming there. And usually I see for the bearish EP, this was the bearish EP was huge. And this bearish EP is also huge. And then what I see is when the market, this is the level of the call writer. So call writer and the put writer are together, and the hourly call writer, which was a resistance, it broke below, and the put writer came into picture, and put writer, the market price took over this call writer as well as the put writer, then indicated these are the hourly call writers which were existing from the historical price. That was yesterday, Wednesday, around 12:10 p.m. These call writers were there and they were trapped, and market had moved higher. So this level acted as the flip level, and market tried to regain and moved first one from one level to other level, 26,185. This is the 15 minutes EP level, resistance level, call writer level, and then it traveled to this level. So it went up to 26,240, and you can see the rolling pivot. Later, it turned into green over here. When it tested and it came down, it turned into green over here, and the market could not go past this level because earlier it has been resistance level. For tomorrow, you need to see whether it is going to cross this level, because these put writers are already active over here, 26,284, and market, if it starts breaking below this level. So let us go to hourly picture, hourly time, and see where is the next level for the market. The level is 26,157. The market broke for a while, and then it regained and retest. Suppose this is the make or break level. Suppose on an intraday basis, if the market starts breaking below, trading below 26,159, market can come down to 26,099 or 26,100. This is the beautiful indicator which can make you you can take the trade with crystal clarity even before the trend starts. That is the beauty of the EP. Episodic pivot, it indicates who is going to dominate, whether the call writer or the put writer is going to dominate. It indicates. Actually, in today's trade, put call writer dominated in the market, so the market came down and closed near this was the call writer which had been trapped. Market had moved over here. It acted as the support and it has closed here. Tomorrow we need to see whether it is morning itself. You can open this chart, EP underlying. So morning 5 minutes, you will get the EP levels. Once you get the EP levels, you can find the direction in the market and you can make with the rolling pivot, reversal magic, you can trade better. So I have enabled both rolling pivot, reversal magic, EP, and as well as the VCP and CPR indicator. I have enabled 3 indicators for this, and this is the shorter, very shorter period GAN Hilo turning into, the trend change has been happened, green to yellow. Now, temporarily, while going home, this has turned green and market has moved higher and it is the flip zone. We need to see whether the market is going to get halted or it can move up to 26,284, confusing all these people. So if these writers become again active, they will try to push the market down. They will try to push the market down. So you know all the reference levels in the market. So you know all the reference level to trade with this and you can trade better, friends. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. I wish you all the best. And if you want to get access to my paid indicator, you can message me on this number 9845209600. If you accidentally find this YouTube, this video, please go to the playlist. In the playlist of Rolling Pivot Reversal Magic, there are many. As many as 10 videos are there. You can watch them, get hold of everything, understand the concept, and you can come back to me and message me. You can contact me through WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.